what I'm going to do is show you the finished website so you can see kind of what we'll be making. I'll go into register.php, and this is the sort of thing we'll be creating today, this sort of look. Okay, so I'll say the first thing we should probably do is get this background image. What we do, or how I did it, I mean, you're free to use any other image you want, by the way, but if you want to use this, sure, desktop, top view, right there. I mean, I'll include all the files inside the in the course content as well, but just to show you how I found it. You can use any of these images. I literally just found one off Google. It's right here. Okay, so yeah, you can just save that if you want to. Yeah, okay, so we'll use that. So I'll give this a save right now. Save as. Go to applications. Scroll down to XAMPP. htdocs. Remember that's where the websites go. Demo. This will go in assets, images. But we'll create a new folder called backgrounds. Okay, and we'll save it in there as a desktop. I think it's saving it as a JPEG. Yeah, JPEG. Okay, so we saved that right now. That's in our folder. Okay, and we'll go back, and what we'll do is we're going to make what's called a wrapper tag around all of this. Okay, so we're going to make a div. Divs are like sections. You'll understand how they work purely from just using them. Press tab if you want to fill in the closing tag. We're going to take this closing tag and we're going to put it right at the end between the last body tag and the form, right there. Okay, and we're going to highlight this, all that, highlight it and press tab, and I'll just indent it for you, just make it a little bit easier to see. Inside the div, I'm going to say class equals double quotes wrapper, and you'll see what we're doing with this in a minute. We'll go back to our CSS and we'll say dot wrapper. Dot means class, so this is targeting anything with the class wrapper. Okay, put your curly brackets in, and we'll say background image, and then URL. Inside here we'll put the path to our image we just had. So we're in the CSS folder at the moment. We're in there. That's where this is. So to get to this one, we have to go back up one folder. Because if I'll show you, we're in here right now. We have to go up one folder and then into the images folder. And when we do that, it's .. That means previous folder. Okay, up one level. Then we're going to say images / backgrounds, I think it was, and then what was it, desktop.jpg. Okay, then we're going to say background size 100%. Okay, I'll show you what we have if we refresh that, if it's worked. Okay, so that didn't work. Oh, I know what it is. So go to images, backgrounds, and go to that image you just downloaded. Go to get info on a Mac anyway. Windows, it might be like settings or properties or something. Go down to sharing permissions right at the bottom, and you'll see under everyone it says no access because on a server it doesn't allow anyone to see it for security purposes. So we're going to change that to read only. Yours might not even be set to this. Yours might default to just read only anyway, which is probably what I should change mine to. So I'll just refresh that now. So there we go. It's worked now. Obviously the picture's not right yet, but it's there. If that didn't update for you yet, it might be because the CSS is cached, CSS page is cached, or this page is cached. So what you need to do is either wait a bit, empty your cache, or if you right click and then inspect element, you can right click on this refresh button and click hard reload, or empty cache and hard reload. Okay, that would mean that it'll start fresh and load everything as new. So if you don't see your CSS changes, you might need to do that. Just empty your cache. Okay, so going back now, we're going to fix this background size, because obviously that's not right. We'll say width 100%. We'll say height 100%. We'll also say min width, and we'll say 950 px. So that will say it won't allow it to be any smaller than that. Now if we go back again, refresh the page now, there we go. It fills up the whole screen. But we have this little border around the outside which we want to get rid of. So how we do that is like this. We say we'll put it up here between this at the top. Body. We'll say margin 0 and also padding 0. Okay, now if we refresh that, we get rid of that little white space around the outside. Okay, so it's starting to look a little bit better now, because what that did, body right there, it targeted this body tag, which happens to be everything in here. Okay,